It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. Oh, eyes are getting a little bit rough there. The rain and picked up harder, the wind gusting pretty good there. At times, feel like I'll be on my motorcycle riding 50 miles per hour plus. Pretty good. This area back down through here, the wind usually runs through there pretty good. It's like a wind tunnel. It's pretty tough. I see a structure over there. Look like the wind is tearing off the siding on that structure. Yep, it's ripping it up. Yeah, look at that. It's coming off of that. But it's pretty windy back here. Still a lot of rain. So everybody stay in, be careful. Try to not travel if you have to. That wind is pretty strong out there. So, wow, look at that. Man, it's tough. Whoa. Yeah. Pretty strong wind. I imagine that rain is stinging like sand on the beach. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotcha. Well, everybody, like I say, hunker down, stay inside, don't go out on the roads, highways and byways. Pretty tough out there. Maybe electrical wires down, anything could happen. So everybody stay safe. See you later.